Welcome to Acelab Mini Tutorials. I'm Bo, a former architectural designer and the Director of Growth and Architectural Relations at Acelab. In this series, we'll be giving you all the best tips and tricks for using Acelab's platform to easily streamline your product specification workflows and discover new building products for your projects. Let's get started. Acelab aggregates products by product category. For each category, we try to include all products that are sold in the US. Take windows, for example. We have 7,132 products belonging to 453 manufacturers in our database. To search for a product, get started by selecting the right category from the header. On Acelab, searching for products works like this. To easily find the right products for your project, follow these 3 steps. Answer a few product-specific questions, shortlist the products that you're interested in, create a product comparison, and communicate with product reps. Let's get started. Acelab's Product Advisor is a visual search engine that will guide you through the research process, step by step. The questions are specific to the product category. You can find deep dive videos about all categories on our website.